Okay, this is the front door. So you walk in and there was a door here that we took down. So this door is gonna be made a wall. And then this is the living room. And this is the door that's going to be made into a door. It was just a walkway. So this will be a door. This is the air handler that's gonna be moved, but that's not gonna get moved until next week. So this will be, and I don't know if you guys wanna do the plumbing right now or not, but that'll be a wall, and I need the birth tub, a toilet, and a sink in this room, if all of that can fit possibly. And then this will be made a wall, so you can't do what I just did. You won't be able to walk through there. So then back this way, that's Alasia, that's my mom, as you know. So that's the front door. So then this room, where you guys are gonna have to move that wall more towards where that line's drawn, because the bathroom is too small to be ADA compliant. And I was told that there's plumbing in this wall because it used to be a kitchen. And so this is the bathroom that you guys are gonna need to move the door to have it on this exterior wall because it's not big enough. And nothing's gonna be done in this room. And then this room is gonna be the kitchen. So if a sink can fit in here, that would be great. And then this room is going to be the garage, but if you can put a washer and dryer, and if there's room and efficiency, a bathroom. This is the plumbing that goes outside that we thought was something, but it's just holding wires. Okay, hopefully this helps.